We need someone who can mediate, who can stand between in order to reconcile. And so Jesus, as true God and true man, as proclaimed in this mystery, is our mediator. Sa Tagalog, taga-pamagitan, namamagitan, upang tayo na napalayo sa Panginoon ay maibalik, upang ang Panginoon din ay mailapit sa atin. And so the incarnation of Jesus is not only about a God who becomes like us, but also a God who was incarnated so that in our experience of His salvation, we can also share in His divine life.